guys, welcome back to part 2 baking slap tower 2. Let's go. Let me just get the first that I can get. Okay. Or I think it's 3. I don't know. Last time I got tortured because that was long as my lifetime. This is chill. This is chill and chill. Just I think 5 colors. I think. Let's get on it. Of course, there's 4 slaps. Behind the scenes. I'm scared. Guys, I am the freaking slap master. I did the hardest part. What the super? No. I got ocean blue. The developers be cooking with this one. Am I right? Oh my god! Bye bye guys.